Controversial ZANU-PF entrepreneur Chivhayo, widely viewed as President mnangagwa's protege, he has once again drawn attention for all the wrong reasons. On Tuesday, Chivhayo reportedly invaded the office of the president in Nigeria, a move that critics say reeks of entitlement and political patronage. Sanabina mashoko buda pangwa ine uchenokwa kunzi Chivhayo, pangwa ine o invader Nigeria's presidential office. Subscribe or like it on the bell icon. On Wednesday, Chivhayo posted a statement dripping with self-aggrandizement and sycophantic flattery, describing his meeting with the Nigerian President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in breathless, almost comical terms. In quotes, yesterday, I had the utmost pleasure and an exceptional opportunity to meet with one of Africa's most accomplished senior statesmen, His Excellency, articulated with surprising precision Nigeria's strategic plan. This man is truly an encyclopedia of knowledge, Chivhayo wrote in a post that read more like a fan letter than a professional diplomatic briefing. Observers in social media users were quick to criticize the spectacle. This is the same man who has been accused of inflating government contracts and tender dues in Zimbabwe, said one analyst. Now he is parading himself in Nigeria, acting as if he is a statesman, while ordinary Zimbabweans struggle under mnangagwa's failing governance. Critics point out the absurdity of Chivhayo attempting to link himself to African Renaissance narratives while benefiting personally from close ties to mnangagwa's administration. He calls himself rubbing shoulders with the giants of Africa, yet back home he is a symbol of corruption and cronyism, said one political commentator. Chivhayo's post was filled with hyperbolic praise, calling President Tinubu a fountain of wisdom, a beacon of hope, and a true patriarch of African Renaissance. Many Zimbabweans online mocked the tone, questioning why mnangagwa's entrepreneur is pontificating on government and economic transformation while failing to deliver meaningful results at home. This is exactly the image problem Zimbabwe faces: a ruling elite that rewards loyalty over competence, using pomp and pageantry abroad to mask a country in crisis, added a local social media user. Domashukar buda pangwa ine Chivhayo atakwa after our poster pictures achionekwa kunzi anchoring in an inside meeting aiwana the Nigerian president. Pina comment section medu dzimafunguro enyu motikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pina comment section medu dzimafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.